So let's go into the next journey. The previous videos we were talking about this stage, and we also practiced this exercise, and today let's talk about this. This one is very easy to do for everyone, and I will show what I did here so that you can practice. It's covered with some doodles. So the principle is, as I told you in previous videos, in this part I mainly do art, and in this part I am writing. But as you see, I have here quite a lot of text. I didn't want to leave it without art. I took a text from the book, then I made PDF and I printed this out and I glued it down, because that is something very important for me. For this part, it's just playing with paint, and I will demonstrate to you so that you also can do that. That is called a messy playing. You get some paint that you like. Of course, you have to know something about color mixing, because some colors, they tend to, when combined, become brown, but you always can have these orange, yellow and red and also white together. It's safe. You will not ever get brown out of these. So these are very safe to play with. This orange is already with some white in it. And this is the way how you play. This is a very, I would say, messy playing with paint. This is not using any brushes or other tools, but this way you have some experience with colors. And colors, as you know from art therapy, is, you can even say colors are emotions, because there's no any color which does not call emotion out from us. And emotion, I mean some kind of story in our mind which is connected with some kind of association from the past, some experience with that color or story or narrative. And this way you play with colors. You also get the sense of paint you choose. I chose acrylic, but you can play with some others too, whichever you choose. You even can play with gouache, but in art journal I would not recommend to use oil, anything from oil. It's difficult with oil paint on paper, but you can try everything else. Yeah, and like this way you just play and create something. And here in the middle I had some text, and around I played with colors in this way. You even can draw flowers with fingers. Yeah, like this. Like, it's not like really flowers, but some kind of flower style, or that reminds you of flowers. Something like this also. This is creative journal, and in creative journal everything is possible. You can, there's no rules. You can experiment with colors, with ideas, with feelings, and how you feel and how you sense things. some impression, some kind of presence of the flower. We don't have to draw realistically with our fingers. If we need the picture flowers, we can always take out our phone and take a picture of the flower. But when we play with colors, we want to express how we feel about flowers. That's a different. So, yeah. Something that what I did in this art journal, and what else I did was doing some doodles here. And talking about doodles, I keep a small art journal or creativity journal where I just collect ideas for doodling. And then I look here and I decide, oh, I wanna draw something like this from here. Just have some feeling, otherwise it takes a long time to decide what to draw. As you see, here are some stars, and then I put here stars and some styles, something what I enjoy, and then I collect it here. And also I have in some other places some collections for ideas. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next video.